Minecraft is the most pirated game in the world. With cracked Minecraft servers boasting player counts in the thousands or even higher in non-English speaking countries, there exist tens of millions of players around the world who use cracked Minecraft on a daily basis.
So hi everyone. So this YouTuber, I mean it that he told fake things about TLauncher, but I realized that TLauncher is virus. I reviewed that myself, and is that true? Okay, so first thing, what is even confused is this one. Every day it will be updated to this version, this newer version, and more than it will be 2.2.842. Then another day it will be here 3, and another like that. So bro, and I look about that, and I review something in the setting wrong. Bro, yo, look at that. Again another, and download opera. Oh no. Remind later. And this we can skip. And look about here. And if I go to the settings to disable these updates forever, look about that what I found. So in Minecraft settings we see nothing what it is wrong. But when we go here, this little hack box will be automatically, when you update the TLauncher, unhackbar. So, and what is protect you with TLauncher GUI? And when we want this, look what happened. Only premium users are available. You can learn more in the official site. Are you serious? And now for that, I was mean that TLauncher is really virus. And because if you buy premium, so you can disable it and nowhere will be sending to the statistics. Okay, we will see what they is. So TLauncher grew out. Okay, nice little icon. Okay, with the development of TLauncher, it became clear that something users are careless, and we realized to protect our players, albeit with the new TLauncher GUI function. Its functionality will still be updated to the extent of sharing from problem, as while using the game and our launcher. So it means that TLauncher will immediately scan you what servers you join, what you play in single player world, and it will be protect from hackers or that. But do you realize that? It means that TLauncher actually spies on there. So, and I doesn't believe that. So in this video, this one, so there's not very real thing about that. So I comment here, so with more detail, and 3 things are they wrong, and it's fake. But also I know that the launcher, where it is practically not a virus, but I realized that it is, but with this video it is possibly not. So, and I will show you why is this weird thing. So we start with this one.
Client that would alter specific Windows registry files to redirect users to the ru-minecraft.org website whenever they try to
So, it spies to the registry file, but when we look again,
a client that would alter
bro. Okay. Oh yeah, I do this in Regedit software policies, Microsoft, Windows data collection, adhere devolve key and make sure you have this disabled, and Microsoft can't now collect your data. So now, when we go to the HK local machine software, okay, software, put this down, here, wow note, and this one, and here we have some apps, and you see something about Apple computer? I'm sorry, but I mean it that Apple and Microsoft enemies together. So why it okay. And iPod iTunes. Who will have iTunes in Windows? Oh my. And in this file, okay, when we delete the Apple computer, so it must be there to spy on this registry file. Why? Because what is that? JavaSoft, Java developer, Java web stuff. But okay, this I have installed, but no, right, auto update. So this one, this key must be spied also with Minecraft original launcher to even start that, because TLauncher must have Java. TLauncher must it have, because bro, I show you that again. And we stabbed him. Yo, look at that. It shows the Java icon. This probably isn't normal program.exe, but it's a jar file, and he must have Java to even run him, the launcher itself, wanting fake. And now another
org website would automatically open as well. They got away with this by saying these features were optional upon installing the client, which if you take a look at this translated image of the
fine. I probably can't say that is fake, because I have this one also, like that. And when we nice, I go to the site it myself. Here it is. Wait, what this site was? Huh? Wait. Yo, do you okay. So, okay, this site is virus, but okay, this maybe could be not fake, but I think that for me it can't be fake, because I control everything what in my PC is doing. So even everything, so I know where I am safe and where I am not safe. Now, final part is this.
This code is related to. Why would any legitimate Minecraft launcher need to do this? There's more code.
Few days ago, I make a dirt about TLauncher and saying it's safe because no antivirus spot anything. I was wrong. Here how I realized my mistake. If you download TLauncher and install it, and then you scan for spyware, malware, you will find nothing, because there is nothing. So where the BS come in? Here how TLauncher attack you. There are two files called Java and Skin Cape. GL. Okay, I know it, but you can find both then in. Okay. Only in in app data file. Skin. Wait, what? Wait, what the fuck? Okay. I found that. Wait. Oh no! Oh my goodness! He's thousands. Oh here. Okay, I think that is could be not fake, but okay, that's okay. So nice. And okay, and one thing what is TLauncher hated about is that TLauncher is from Russia, and Russia is being Ukraine enemy, so I don't want something have about this war, because I'm in Czech and this word I can say it English. I'm Czech, so I have Czech things and not Russia or something else. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Better install TLauncher. It is very confused, because I used TLauncher site for years and also today, and nowhere, and I doesn't care about that it is spyware. Yes, and this is for me a very big update to lost my history, what I do in TLauncher, and yeah. So TLauncher is better, but you must be if you have original Minecraft, but if not, you can run Cinema Launcher, and yeah, so bye.